Hi, I'm Sarah B. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm opening a box from Fashom. I wouldn't say it's a subscription service so much as a styling service. It's not automatic renewals every month. You get to request a styling service, and then your stylist will pick out 7 pieces for you to look at and choose 5. You choose 5 to be sent to you that you can try on at home, and then decide if you would like to keep. Your first styling session is free. The following styling sessions are $15, but like with the other ones, that $15 is then credited towards whatever you decide to keep. So I already know what's in this box, and I'm really excited about some of it. Yeah, let's dig in and see what we got. The other part, or one of the other pieces about Fashom that I like that is different than some of the other subscription boxes, besides the fact that you can see what you're getting beforehand or kind of get a sense of what it is. For some other subscription boxes, you get a discount if you keep everything. For Fashom, you get a discount if you keep 3 of the 5 pieces. You get a bigger discount if you keep everything, but even if you only keep some of it, you still get some money left in your pocket. That's so nice. Why, thank you, Fashom. So this is the invoice, and for what I would keep. So here's my list of things to do. What's next? Try everything on in the comfort of your home. Buy what you like, send the rest back. They sent a prepaid mailer. Email us for an exchange if we need one. And for each Fashom box that they send out, they contribute $1 to Second Chance Rescue New York City Dogs, which is so great. They support charities as well. And then we can always send feedback so that our next box is better than the first. Rosie was my styler. Thank you for shopping with Fashom, and welcome to your first styling session. From your styling profile, I see that you like a classic style with some staple pieces. I picked a pair of navy work pants and black jeans for you to mix and match with your current wardrobe. V-neck blouse with little sleeve details would be perfect for a summer work day. Soft navy top would keep you comfortable all day. The V-neck dress with a cardigan would be an easy option on a date night. I hope these new trendy and unique pieces that will be great new additions to your spring summer. I hope you enjoy my picks. So I picked 5. I chose to opt out of the black jeans because that's just not my style. And I believe there was a top that I opted out of as well. Here's my bag for sending things back. Inside of my box. And my bundle. All of these pieces are competitively priced with Stitch Fix, I would say. And some of the prices I feel like are even a little better than what Stitch Fix is. Oh, man. I was so excited about this one. Look at this color. Oh my gosh. I don't know. We'll see. I love the color and I really wanted to try it on. It's a little shapeless compared to some of what I would otherwise wear, but a little short perhaps. But you don't know until you try it on. So I'm glad I got to try it on. So it's the first top. And then this piece is a dark blue sleeveless dress with like a tiny, almost like tulip print on it, flower print. The third piece is a longer top with like a fitted ruched waist, which seems really interesting. Oh, how interesting. Okay. I thought this was like gray online, but it's green, which does not put me off entirely, but is distinctly different. They didn't. You get to see pictures um, of what they're sending you online that you choose from, and you can like blow up the pictures, but I guess the coloring on my phone was off because I definitely thought that this was a gray top and not a green top. But I really love the shape of it. So yeah, we shall see. And the last piece that I chose to have them send me is a pair of fitted black ankle-length pants, which is so not me, you guys, but I need more work clothes, and I need to try something new, and this was a good way to try something to see if I liked it or not. So I'm going to run off and try some things on, and I will be back to show them off. Back in a jiff. So the pants are called Counterparts, slim ankle pants, and they're actually really, really comfy. I'm still not convinced about the shape for me, just because of my shape. And the top, like in limbo a little bit. I'm so torn about because I like, I'll do it like this. Is this weird? It's weird. I love the color, but the cut is weird, and it's not quite long enough. Womp womp. So I don't think that's gonna be staying with me, especially for the $44 price tag. It's called Gilly, scoop neck woven top, and it's really comfy. It's just not quite long enough for me to be comfortable, and like I'm not sure what to do with these sleeves. But I'm glad I tried it. I have 2 more tops that I'm going to try on with these pants, though, because I'm really excited about them. So, let's see. This top is great. It's the perfect length. I love the 3/4 sleeves. It's not too close fitting. There's definitely wiggle room, which I enjoy in helping to hide things. This is called Chris and Carol waist length top. It's $33. Really like it. The color is totally me. And it's even kind of making me feel like I could almost make these pants work. No, I think this is going to be a keeper. I really like it. Definitely a classic staple item that I can use in my wardrobe. All right, one more top with these pants. And this top is called Zenobia cap sleeve top. And I would have loved it in gray, but I think I love it even more in green. It's a really nice olive color. I don't think it's too green for me. A friend of mine was just talking to me about color theory the other day. I think it's a great color. I really like the fit, the detail in the front, and then the detailed like tulip sleeves. It's really sweet, and again, making me feel like I could totally pull off these pants and feel comfortable in them, which is always key. I'm gonna feel like a real professional wearing some of these clothes. This is good. This is really good. So this top is $24, which I think is pretty great. All right, I still have the dress to try on, and I'm looking forward to it. Okay. And here's the dress. This is also from Gilly, Gilli, crossover bodice sleeveless A-line dress. It's $43. I love the A-line, and that this A-line actually fits me well, and that a lot of the A-lines I try on don't quite leave enough room for the bust. But this one fits me beautifully. The length is really great. It's really soft, comfortable, perfect like summer weight dress to wear. And it's crossover bodice without me worrying about whether or not it will do its job, let's just say. This is really good. This has been a great box. All right, I'm going to get dressed and we're going to look again at the prices and talk through my options and what seems like it might be the best. All right, be back. So now I have to decide, and I would love your input for that. Let's go piece by piece. The dress was super comfy. It's $43. I don't have anything quite like it. And it does fit me beautifully, especially in areas that dresses like this tend to not fit me beautifully. So I feel like that is a major plus. The Zenobia cap sleeve top, again, fit me beautifully. Was exactly the right size, even though it was a different color than I was expecting. And felt good. It just feels good. And is $24. The waist length jersey top from Chris and Carol, I'm already completely in love with. And it's $33. Is definitely something I can see myself living in and being comfortable in at work all day. So that is a huge plus. The pants were something I chose kind of on a whim, just because I wanted, because I should. It was like one of those things that you do because you feel like you should do, not because you necessarily want to. But I'm actually really happy with them. They are $45. They're the most expensive piece in the box. But they fit me well and are really comfy. And the last piece, and the only one I'm on the fence about this too, because it's like just not quite long enough, but I'm wondering if like the next size up would be forgiving enough that I would be comfortable in it, because I love the color and I really want it to work. It's $44. But I love the color. I really love the color. So with Fashom, if you keep 3 or 4 items, you save 25% on the whole box. If you keep all 5, you save 30% on the whole box. So if I were to keep everything, it would be $189 minus the 30% is $56.70, which is a total of $132.30. Now, since it was my first box, it was free. There's no styling fee for your first box. So I have to make some decisions now about exchanging this, whether I should try, about keeping everything, which I kind of really want to do, but I don't know if I should. I really love this. This has been a great first experience with Fashom. I feel like they've completely nailed me from the jump. My stylist, Rosie, has my heart and has completely pegged me. And I really like the ability to because I like to take sneaky peeks anyway. So to sneaky peek what you're getting and to let them know if you're heading the right or wrong direction. And that's the other part with Fashom, is if your stylist picks out 7 pieces for you and none of them hit the mark, you can just cancel your styling session and try again. Instead of getting a box that's full of duds. Like, how cool is that? All right, I need to do some hard thinking and some calculating and figuring out what I can realistically afford to keep or not. But, oh dear viewers, plan to see more Fashom boxes coming my way because this is great. And now I'm in real trouble because I have all these boxes coming at me and I'm falling in love. And my closet's only so big. I will put more information about Fashom in the spot below. I also have a referral code, so if you would like to try it, I think you get like $10 to use on your first purchases, and your first styling fee is free. So what's to lose? Thanks for joining me as always. I love your comments. They make me so happy. So please leave some notes and let me know. Point me in the right direction. Steer me towards good decisions. And I will be very grateful. I hope you are all well, and until next time, take care.